Go ahead, sir.
Alright, this is the Porsche Cayenne S. And the salvage is right here. This hit right here. Tailgate still works. Is that called a tailgate? Yeah. Down here the exhaust is hanging. You see it's dangling. It braked off right there.
I don't know if you guys can see that shit.
Nothing crazy, you just gotta bend this back. I have to go back on it. But since its nuts are hanging, we're gonna cut off this fat fuck right here. We said fuck fixing it, so we're just gonna cut it off right there. Somewhere right here, we're gonna measure it right there.
What is this called? The muffler delete?
Yeah, rear muffler delete.
Alright. Let me give him a good how it looks. We would have to put this piece right here and here.
Yeah, hopefully we're gonna keep the stock tips. Try to reuse those.
Yeah, keep these ones. Get a welder because people are lazy and they want to charge us $500 for doing this.
Some people in our city are afraid to even touch this vehicle.
We're gonna use this. This tool costs like 15 bucks, and then the blade.
$3.
The blade was $3. We just went and got it right now. Cutting metal. So we're gonna put the tape on it, and then we're gonna cut it.
And then we'll give you a before and after.
Oh yeah. Let's start the bitch up. Hold up. Okay. Alright. Yeah. Yeah, not loud at all. That shit's trash. Alright, go ahead. Doesn't sound too bad, huh? But it's too quiet when it's idling. Remember guys, safety first. Get your glasses.
Of course, you gotta get the Ray-Ban with the P.
If it's not polarized, then this job will not work.
It's not gonna work.
So you need polarized Ray-Bans.
For sure. Make sure
The wafers. That has to be wafers.
Fit your face real good. Look at that. That's just fucking bent all the way up.
It's alright. They'll do the job. You want to use the tool? You don't want to buy it, and you have one of these. You can also use that. Everyone has one of these in their house. Cababoso.
Well, that's nigga. Shit's professional.
Look at him. He already measured it. With his eyes.
The eyeball fit. Don't think that's my job, honey.
Yeah, but you're not thinking about shit. You just want to cut it.
Because that's all we have to do is cut it.
Alright, let's get it.
Tired of you talking and not cutting. Shit, we'll fucking weld.
This is our first time doing it, so if it fucks up, it fucks up. If it doesn't, and if you're doing this for the first time, don't be scared. Nothing money can't fix. What is the deal?
Alright, I'm gonna cut it right here, right?
Yep.
And then I'm gonna go, and then where? I'm gonna just keep going up, and then it's just gonna fucking.
It's an angle grinder.
Okay, then we'll just get up to there, and then it's gonna be at its top right there.
Oh, we'll
So how
rip
am I
it
gonna
off
get
or
the-
some shit. I don't know.
Is it on?
Nope.
The fuck?
Are you ready?
Ready?
You don't got a mask?
Don't be scared. We already cut it.
Almost there, buddy. You just gotta go for this.
Okay, y'all, it's almost done. The other two, well, 4
that we have to do. Take that one off. And there's one on that there.
That one you told me?
Oh, good. Talk to the camera. And then we'll finish those. Should be done.
Muffler delete!
Shit!
God damn! That bitch is heavy.
Put on the sunset for sure. What do you guys think? Muffler deleted. Shit.
Are you ready?
Cold start.
It's not really cold.
I mean, not cold, fucking just
In the
start. Start them,
In
motherfucker.
Tucson, there's no such thing as cold.
Hot starts.
There's just not hot.
Give her it. That bitch sounds way nice. Rev that fucker. Woo! Woo! We got a race car. Look at it. Do it. Do it. Hold on. Mom. Man, what do you think? ¿Qué crees, señora? Ese sí es carro. Woo! That bitch sounds. Tears are falling out my eyes.
You wanna see how fucking big that shit is?
This is it. This is why she was quiet.
This is like a good 70 pounds.
Yeah, it's pretty heavy too.
Solo se lo van a poner.
Eventually, those are our cuts. That's Daniel's cuts.
Oh, por eso
Yes.
son así.
No, yeah, yours is the good
Le
one.
quitaron esto. Oh.
Do it to my next.
Bring it up.
Next one's over there. The next victim.
And then this one.
There we go.
Is it recording? Yep. We're gonna get a semi-cold start.
Semi-hot.
Semi.